Guys, we're gonna talk about a very unique OS out there in Android. If you're looking to install a custom ROM, then you must try out this custom ROM because this one is called Descendant OS 11.5, the latest August security patch based we have installed on our Redmi Note 9 Pro. It's available for mutual devices and many other devices. Link for all of the supported devices is in the description. It's based on Android version 11. Descendant version is 11.5, but it's based on Android version 11. Why I like this build? Because of its some unique features, unique UI related things which we're going to talk about in this video. First of all, in the terms of quick settings panel, as you just saw, very interesting UI. The brightness slider is inspired from MIUI. Also, it has very interesting bouncy effect everywhere. You get some simple kind of weather widget here, which is kind of really interesting. You don't get in other custom ROMs. What I saw till now after installing a lot of custom ROMs, I saw Descendant OS is still one of the best ever custom ROMs out there in the terms of UI related things. Let's just talk about the things on device wallpapers. You get some extra on device wallpapers, which honestly I didn't like that much. The default wallpaper is still quite good compared to the other pre-installed wallpapers. Of course, in the terms of camera section, what I noticed so far in other builds, I didn't saw the Google camera or any camera was pre-installed. You need to install camera according to your own preference, but in this build I got Google Camera Go edition. I'm not sure if this is installed in other devices also, but in mutual devices you get the Google Camera Go edition pre-installed, which is actually quite good. But this is not a big issue as camera is working perfectly fine. You can try out installing the major Google Camera 8.1, Google Camera 8.2. You have many other extra options available for you. Also, in the terms of Magisk related settings, if you want to root your device with Magisk, no worries, you can root. And also alongside with that, you simply need to hide the Magisk from settings and you'll be able to use banking apps on your device. There might not be any major issues in that, and this might be the thing in other devices also. If you don't root your device, safety status will be directly passed without root. But if you want to root your device, just root and hide Magisk from settings. Safety status will be passed successfully, like as you saw in this video. The safety status is passed. I am able to use banking apps on my device. Settings, as you can see, very interesting UI, a very interesting bouncy effect. This might be a thing in Android 12 also. So yes, this is why they are just doing the same things again in other customers also. Here you get some things. As you can see, the dividers are quite interesting, so interestingly sorted. Descendant health option is available, where you will see the COVID-19 data is unavailable or whatever it is showing. Sometimes it show you some data, sometimes it doesn't show you. And in terms of other major customizations, as I previously mentioned, you don't get major customizations. And the battery backup related things, I saw this was good. They added some battery styles now. In the previous updates, the battery styles were not present. So yes, if you are a user who wants some extra battery styles, then the option is present for you. The battery graph is very simple, but something new and unique kind of UI is present there. In the terms of other sub menus, as you can see, we have these 4 header tiles, header options like styles app, ambient display, etc, etc. You can create your own custom styles also. You have the option of theming. It doesn't come with major extra customizations, but it has some useful features for you which a user want in a custom ROM and always use in their daily life. So there might not be any major issues in that. I'm using it from some time. I didn't got any kind of issues here. Let's just go back and let me show you. As you can see, we have everything present. Thumb UI, which is kind of a one UI thing. You have some major kind of headers in settings and everywhere, so I don't like that, so I will not enable this. Audio handling option, where you can simply pause the media and like this adaptive playback kind of thing that was. And in privacy section, where you get the Descendant Guardia, which is just one of the main highlights after installing Descendant OS. What is this? It will show you that how many apps and how many times the app is requesting camera request, microphone, phone and GPS request. So yes, if you are a privacy related concern user, then you must try out this thing. And yes, this feature is working fine. I'm using some time. Descendant OS has very interesting features. In the security section, screen lock, fingerprint, face lock, everything is present, and alongside with that you get the app locker too. If you get these kind of options, then you should try out this build on your device. This is one of the great ones. So yes, if you want to try out, link is in the description. Installations according to your device. By the way, simply install the ROM and reboot your device. This is all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
over the edge. Feel like I'm floating through the air.